Hi vlog. I'm in the middle of our paddock. I am picking some greenbacks today. And I've been passing by these one branches and look what I found. I'll show you. I'll go to the other end. Can you see it, guys? Try not to disturb it. Newborn baby. Baby bird. Just wondering where's the mommy. We got three. Oh my god, there are three. So cute. I think they're waiting for their mama. They're waiting for their mama to give them food. Oh, so cute. I love this one. I hope the mama will come back. I give them something to eat. And I hope the big bird won't find them, because it will be so sad. And I try to be quiet, guys. Try to be quiet. Oh, I think they can hear their mama. Looking for their mama. Where's your mama? Oh. Oh my god, I hope. I've been passing and passing. I said, I heard that noise. I heard that noise. And I just wondered, what's that noise? And then I said, oh, look at this, guys. Where they are. They're in the bush. Try, you see? It was hidden along here. Beautiful. But I need to go to the other end. So, I think they can hear their mama. Looking for food. You can see the mosquito also flying along with them. I don't know how many weeks or days these birds. Oh, I think I will cover them more. I need to find a leaves. I will put some cover so it won't be burned. Try to find more leaves so the other animals won't eat them. Okay, bye-bye birds. I want to say goodbye to you birds now. I hope the other animal won't eat you. I'm afraid to say. So I put another leaves so you're not gonna be hit by the other big birds and they won't hear you. Okay, so with you now. So I try few leaves so hopefully no one will see them.